in local medicine because imported medicine was expensive, so Rizal studied herbal and local medicinal plants. So he prescribed affordable treatment to poor patients, showing his compassion and scientific curiosity. So Rizal treated thousands of patients in Dapitan, often free of charge. So ibig sabihin, hindi siya nagpapabayad. So he became known not only as a doctor, but also as humanitarian, serving Christians, Muslims, and indigenous people. And now let's dive into the community projects for the Pitan and Fosa Rizal. So Rizal uses knowledge in engineering, surveying, and architecture to improve the town. So Surveyor Perito Agrimensor is a land surveyor's license from Ateneo which he used to help the Pitan organize its land, farms, and public structures. So with the help of his students, Rizal built the Pitan's first clean water system, which is designed using bamboo tubes and natural pressure. So this system provided water for drinking, washing, and also for irrigation, which is an enormous improvement for the town. Also, he personally supervised the installation and repairing of lampposts around the Pitan for safer streets at night. So with his friend Father Sanchez, Rizal also redesigned the town plaza and created a huge relief map of Mindanao, made of stones and grass. So this map was used for geography lessons and became one of the Pitan's historical landmarks. So Rizal also designed houses, built bridges, and improved drainage systems. We encouraged cleanliness and community discipline, which greatly upgraded the town's quality of life. So let's move on as Rizal as a teacher. So establishing a school in 1893, Rizal opened a school in Talisay. So it lasted until July 1896 when it ended its exile. So it just started with 3 boys that eventually grew to 16 to 20 students. So the subjects he taught is reading and writing Spanish and English language, geography and history, mathematics, science and nature study, morals and good conduct, gymnastics and physical training, industrial work which is carpentry, farming and landscaping, training in character and skills, which students help collect plants and animal specimens. So Rizal said that he trained them to be disciplined, hardworking, respectful, physically fit, and to be skilled in manual labor. So education was free. Students paid by helping with chores. Rizal lived with his students, treating them like a family. So his teaching method was unpractical and hands-on, which is similar to modern progressive education. And now, let's proceed to contributions to science. So in exploration in the Pitan, using his baroto, which is sailboat, Results explored forests, coasts, and rivers with his students. So they collected different types of specimens, which is insects, birds, snakes, and lizards, frogs, shells, plants. And Rizal sent many scientific specimens to European scientists and museums, especially the Dresden Museum in Germany. So these contributions helped European scientists study Philippine biodiversity in payment of books and instruments. So in exchange, Rizal received scientific books, surgical and scientific tools, microscopes, educational materials, additional scientific information. So Rizal discovered different species of insects and frogs. Several organisms were later named after him, including Rhacophorus rizali, a type of frog, Apogonia rizali, a beetle, and he also conducted environmental studies, including the climate observation, soil and water examination, mapping, mapping parts of the Pitan. So Rizal as a farmer. So acquisition of land. So Rizal purchased 16 hectares of land in Talisay and also built a different structures such as home, clinic, school, dormitories, and also planted cacao, coffee, sugarcane, coconut, many fruit trees, flowers, and vegetables, and also expanded land holdings, which is over time he acquired more farmland until he had 70 hectares. So in terms in agricultural innovations, Rizal applied modern farming methods that he learned in Europe and America, which is the crop rotation, contour farming, irrigation techniques, soil improvement, grafting of fruit trees, and he also taught farmers better strategies to increase productivity. So Rizal raised animals like chickens, cattle, and horses. He encouraged, he encouraged farmers to avoid the abuse of Spanish middlemen and became self-sufficient. So now let's proceed to Rizal as a